Hi, I started a new video series to share my knowledge about Visualforce pages, and today is episode 4. Last 3 episodes link I'm gonna add in the video description, so please check them out as well. So today we are going to talk about rendered attribute, and also we're gonna see a few use cases where you can actually use rendered property. So please watch this video till the end. And if you are coming to my channel first time, then please subscribe to it and also hit the bell icon so that you can see notification for all of my upcoming videos. Hi, my name is Siddharth and welcome to my channel Tech Trivia. So let's first understand what's a render attribute and what it does. So rendered is an attribute available for almost all Visualforce tags, and you are basically going to write rendered to specify whether or not you want to display that specific block, section, text, or anything that is part of your Visualforce page. So rendered accepts a boolean value. So you can easily write your conditions based on which you want to display or not display that specific part of your page. So let's understand this with an example. I created a Visualforce to display an account record, and also there is a right hand side section that displays related opportunities. Now what if the account does not have any opportunity? So I don't want to display that section because it doesn't make sense. It's not relevant at all. So I can easily handle this requirement by using the rendered attribute. So let's quickly log in Salesforce and see how this is gonna work. Alright, so once you guys are logging in Salesforce, in the URL afterforce.com or salesforce.com, whatever you see, remove that, add a slash, then type apex slash optilist. Now optilist is a Visualforce page we created in the second episode. If you have not yet watched that episode, just go through that and create this page. I'm gonna give the link in the I button and the video description as well. Now this page displays list of opportunities with previous and next buttons, and if I open the code editor, you see it's basically simply adding a page block and then page block table, and there are 4 columns. Now let's say we wanted to apply background color to the last column, that's amount column, and that also based on its value. For example, if the value is lesser than a few thousand, let's say 50,000, we want to color that as red. If it's greater than 50,000 to 150,000, we want to color that as yellow, and more than 150,000 we want to color as green. So basically we are gonna work on CSS part, but we want to apply that red, yellow or green color based on the condition. So here we can use rendered attribute. So I'm gonna start adding a new column, and also I'm gonna include an ending tag as well. In column tag, between the column tag, I'm gonna type output text, in output tags we are going to add first rendered attribute, and we're gonna call it as rendered if opp dot amount is lesser than 50,000. and we are also going to add a style tag. So I already copied this HTML color code that displays red background color. So just copy pasting the same output text 2 more times, and I'm just gonna change the rendered condition. So for the second rendered condition, we want to add if the amount is greater than 49,999 to 150,000. So let's write that, and the background color we want to apply is different than the first one. And the last output text, we are gonna add a condition. If the amount value is equals or greater than 150,000, then we want to apply the color, the background color, that's green. We don't need the last column that we added, amount. Let's remove that because amount is going to be displayed with the background color, and you notice based on the value the background color is applied either red, yellow or green. One thing is missing is the column header. Let's add a column header as well. So header value, and we're going to call it as amount. Don't worry about the code because I'm gonna upload this code in my GitHub repository, and I'm gonna add the link in the video description, so you can simply copy paste the code from there. Alright, so we use rendered attribute to display amount value with a specific background color based on conditions. In today's episode, we learn how you can control the visibility of data in your page using rendered attribute. You can also make a use of render to apply different CSS styling. I hope this video adds value in your Salesforce knowledge, and whenever you wanna build your Visualforce next time, you wanna surely use rendered. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and share this with others. And if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. I'll see you next week with a new learning topic. Happy learning!